Hi friends, I'm here in front of you with a requested topic, that is, after establishing a 5D connect, after even balancing your inner masculine and your inner feminine, now what do I do next? When is it that my twin flame will contact me into the physical? Yes, this is a question asked in the PM by most of the DFs who are onto their awakening. My dear friends, please give them some space and time. Okay, please do not make them feel that you're so needy. Please take yourself out of those energies. Okay, you have gone through the series of meditation, right? You have sat with yourself, you have the threefold meditation, what we call it. You have even gone through this. If not, you please do it. Okay, like whenever you are sitting in meditation, by this stage, I mean after establishing or after balancing yourself, sit with meditation. Okay, sit with yourself, you, your twin flame and the divine. Okay, that is called triangular meditation. Okay, or something called as a threefold meditation. Do not try to go into the theory part of it, how to do it, because there are many ways to do it. See, the main thing is, as long as you connect with the divine and as long as you connect with your own twin flame, that's it, you are done. Okay, do not try to follow the rules in meditation, because meditation is a connect. Okay, it's a connect, it's not a method, it's not a way to prepare a dish or something. Okay, so at your own level, do it the way you're comfortable. All right, after having been done that, surrender, total surrender. All right, do not ask yourself when is that divine timing, because my dear friends, take it from me, however you try, whatever you do, okay, you will not be able to settle unless until your twin flame settles with their karmas. Okay, see, there is something called divine time, but that divine time will come not when you are done with your work. You are done, of course, once you do all these things and once you come into your inner balance, you are done with your things. Fine, that's it. You're not supposed to do anything else. No more. No more applying, no more trying to apply law of attractions. Okay, there are some divine feminines who asked me a question, shall I go ahead and apply law of attraction or a water technique and all those things? Please do not do all those things. You cannot do. As we say, we cannot cut cords with our twin flame. We cannot, that law of attraction will also not work in case of twin flame matters. Okay, well, you are high on manifestation, no doubt, but that you manifest other things. Use that high on manifestation thing to manifest other things, not your twin flame. You cannot manifest your twin flame in life. Okay, you cannot apply all these methods on your twin flame. Take it from me. If you feel like experimenting, please go ahead and do it. Do it and see if you can apply. It will not work. Let them settle their karmas. Okay, once they are done with their karmics, there is a series, no? They have to also settle their karmas, and there is time even given for them by the divine. Okay, we cannot decide over that time. So just now it is time that you just sit and relax. It is time for you to reap now. Be confident about the quality of seeds that you've already sown. Okay, you've done all your work, isn't it? You've done your meditation part, you've done your inner work. Rather, you're still doing, right? You're still meditating, isn't it? Try to go out and, feed some street animals. You will see some cows around, you'll see some dogs, you'll see some cats, some puppies. Try to feed them. I don't mean have a pet at home and feed that pet. Don't do that. Okay, go out and feed the street animals. All right, do that, just do that, because things work. I will not mention how and why, but things work. Okay, do something wherein like you go on a beach for a walk. There are some plastic bottles thrown, or glass bottles, or some cups and this and that. Pick them up on your way when you're back from the walk. Throw them into the proper dustbins. Try to do that. Yeah, these are very small things, no one will see this. You're not supposed to click pictures and then post on the Facebook or your WhatsApp status. Don't make that. Do it for your own self, because there is something called divine power which will see, which will observe all these things. Okay, these are small, small things. If you can help out, you can reach out people, any small help, any small help, as small as offering someone a cup of water. Okay, do that, just do it, and sit back, relax. Okay. You will come into physical union if you are meant to come into physical union with your twin flame in this birth. If it is bound to happen, it will happen in divine timing. Mark my words, dear friends, in divine timing, not before that. Nothing and no one can do on earth anything. Before that, no one can fasten the process. There will be many people who will tell you that I will do so and so for you so that your reunion is fastened. No, that is all rumors. It's not true. Take it from me. No one can, play with that divine timing. No one. Not you, not me, neither your twin flame. It's all predestined. So accept all this and stay happy on the journey. Goodbye for now.